It's 3rd July, officially the next day, which was supposed to be a holiday for us to study physiology, but it's currently 2 p.m. It's currently 2 p.m. and have absolutely wasted the day. Congrats. Not actually wasted. I think I need holidays in between exams, not to study but to sleep. Cause even though I study so much before the exam, I have to study in the exam because I don't I'm just splattering, I don't know. So right now we have our exam tomorrow after 24 hours exactly, and I'll be starting to study now. So let's go. Cheat. Okay, so today is 3rd of the July, the next day, and officially we were given a holiday to study for the next exam, but I took it for a sleep recharging cycle. So I slept so much and it's currently 2 p.m. and now I have to start with the syllabus. So let's go. We are going to officially start with the syllabus now, and I don't know, I'll keep updated. So yeah, bye.
Either I want better.
I don't know, abrupt plans of making something and eating because we both are hungry. I did not go for lunch. Apparently she did, but she did not eat much. So cook with us.
डाल दे सब.
कम पड़ेगा. पानी भर क्या?
ये सब करूँ मैं अभी ये करते करते. मैं पानी भरने का पी बॉटल. ये दरवाजा तो मैं खोला. ये हमारा वॉशरूम और भर चुका है पानी. चल अंदर. घूमना पड़े.
इतना पानी भरना है. उसके बाद हमारे पास एक मोटी सेवैया जो है तो वो हम डाल देंगे.
मैं घी क्यों डाल दिया इसमें क्यों डालना है? देखो मैं तुझे जल्दी देखना बनना पड़ेगा.
इतना से ही नमक डालेंगे ज़्यादा नहीं. तो गाइस हमारी सेव जो है वो हो गई है और वी आर ऑल्सो ड्रेन दी वाटर. नाउ वी विल सेपरेट इट एंड देन अनियंस को फ्राई करते हैं.
हाँ ऐसा तेल
ना ऐड.
तो मम्मी गई भैंस वाली में नहीं डूंगड़ी तेल घी में. ये बहुत बड़ी है.
तो करूँगी केटल अब इसको बंद करके वी विल बी कुकिंग इट फॉर सम टाइम.
मत बोलना अभी कुछ.
गाइस हमने इसके अंदर है ना ये वाला डाल दिया है पास्ता पिज़्ज़ा सॉस. अब हम इसके अंदर डाल रहे हैं मैगी मसाला.
बेटर ऑप्शन देना.
चॉपस्टिक से खा ही नहीं पाऊंगा. आई डोंट थिंक सो.
ये इतनी बड़ी है ये.
इट इज टेस्टिंग नाइस.
यस आई नो इट.
It's 8:48 और I have completed just half respiration वाला unit, but still हम जा रहे हैं walk करने. क्योंकि
2 questions remaining in CVS.
a walk is necessary. Yeah. 3:45 guys, and I've actually completed 2 systems only. That is respi and renal, and I don't know how I'm gonna pull this off. So for my mental peace, I'm gonna be starting general physio. I think I'll be completing it in like 15 to 25 minutes. I guess I will have to complete it. So I think there are only 5 to 6 topics that I have to do in that. So basically it will be done easily. So longer than expected. It's 4:30 already. And अब मुझे थोड़ी नींद आ रही है. So मैं पेट पे दुख रहा है तो मैं सो रही हूँ. तो 7:15 in the morning and now I'm gonna start with guys came back from the physio paper 1 and it went well, I would say, and yeah, it went good as comparison to my ANET paper 1. Everything will be good, but yeah, there were some questions but I wrote everything busily and not whatever. So it was good. And abhi, like we had some nashta in the mess, and it's 5:46, like 46 minute post our paper, and I'm studying cause I want to sleep at night. So whatever, I'm gonna sleep. Yeah, whatever. Guys, the weather is amazing and spotted. Hello guys, do you want a closet tour? Guys, we are making lasagna.
हाय मुस्कान. हाय रिया. रिया तो
रिया ने तो रिया के लिए मेरे को डालने का है कि मेरी रूममेट क्यों खड़ूस है. 39 reasons why my roommate is खड़ूस.
39 40 रख देती. देख डिब्बा बंद करके कर मत.
डिब्बे का ढक्कन ढूंढना पड़ेगा ना. हमारे सस्ते नशे.
इसके सस्ते से देखा.
इसके सस्ते नशे मुंह बिगाड़ना. जीवन में 39 प्रकार के मुंह कैसे बनाए. 114 जीवन में 114 जीवन. ये सब राजकोट वाले मिल के पता नहीं क्या पका रहे. राजकोटियंस आम जुआ. Whatever. जेरोक्स रह गई थी तो हम लोग जेरोक्स करवाने गए थे.
और फिर टाइम लगा पौना घंटा.
और
कब
अब
से खड़े होते हैं.
जा रहे सबमिट करना फाइनली. बहुत हुआ. कॉलेज वाले इतना काम खुद नहीं कर सकते, सब हमें करे. चीज़ लेने के लिए हम लोगों को जो परेशान किया है इन लोगों ने. क्या है ये. Just took a shower and now I am going for lunch. I don't know how. It's 12:45 and my friends are already there, so I'll be going and having some lunch in the mess there. I'll be cleaning it up after I come back. So right now, so guys, it's 2 p.m. right now, and I was just watching. I have been watching these videos on YouTube, okay, and they have such a cute clay plates and everything, like the small things they have. And I actually got an idea. You know how we made the knee joint wala model, so from that I did have some clay left, so I just found out where it was, and then it was all hardened up. So update you later. In some dessert, so I'll be having some curd with mangoes because it has been days when I like to have fruit with my curd, and it has been days I did not have it. So hi Riya.
Hi.
Do you also want some dessert? You want some dessert?
क्या?
You want some dessert? Are you deaf? Sensory neural or conductive deafness? Do you want some snacks?
No, अभी नहीं.
Not snacks, like dessert.
बाद में.
बाद में.
I want chocolate brownie.
We can't have that, okay?
I want chocolate
Control
brownie.
your emotions and control your cravings. This is not our home. So yeah, I'll be just cutting up some mangoes and we'll be mixing it with some curd. Guys, I also tried to do some layers, but I don't think it has turned out. the next day and it's currently 10:15. Guys, it's currently the next day and 10:15 a.m. and now I'm gonna start studying. So what I'm going to do, lipid metabolism, that I think is my weakest in paper number 2, and then I'll start for the preparations with paper number 1. I think I'm pretty much done with biochem. I think I've done much in that, so I'm not very okay, whatever. So I'm gonna start with lipids and I hope I complete it in an hour or half, and then we are gonna start with molecular diagnosis. Who came? Hi Ashwi. Hi Diya. Hi मम्मी. मम्मी को तो लगता है उसका ही रूम है. What is this behavior मम्मी? Hi guys.
Hi.
तुम लोग को ओके हिंदी में तुम लोग इधर में देखो कोई काम धंधा नहीं है इधर क्यों आई है?
अरे
आयश्री तू किधर जा रही है शाम को?
सकोई
यस ये है मेरी बहन, इसको तो जानते ही हो डोबी. ये है दिया. मम्मी shut up. What my mom gave us as a gift. Thank you, Domingo.
થેન્ક યુ આંટી તમને કેમ ખબર પડી મને પિંક કલરની કેક ભાવે છે.
So, and I had the delicious dinner my mom cooked for me and brought here, and now I have full like energy to start studying. So I've listed down all the topics that are going to be coming in tomorrow's test, and I'll be starting it. So I've like already completed 2 topics like DNA structure and replication, but yeah, and I do not wish to continue with the topics. I'm changing the unit and I'll be doing purines and pyrimidines, and let's see. I think I'll be completing thoda smaller topics so that I'll gain confidence कि okay, this much is done, and after that I'll complete the DNA wala part. And guys, so today's paper was not that well, so I just came back, washed those utensils and then slept for some time, and right now it's 9:35 p.m. and I'm gonna start studying right now. So my target is to complete all the metabolic pathway. Ajo impromptu Garba plans. So hello guys, it is the next day. So this is what I made from the clay. So there is a little rainbow over there, then the mushroom, a bear and a small cute little heart. तो हमारे मेस में हम खा रहे बेल. हमने खा लिया चाय और आलू से. Currently 4 p.m. and after coming from the physio practical, I just rested for some time, and I'm gonna start with anatomy. And the syllabus is vast. Oh my god, I don't know how I'll be completed, but I think we just need to start from somewhere. So instead of like starting from history and everything, I think I should take a different approach, and I think I'll start with lower limb first, so that I, you know, like some part of my things are completed. So I'm gonna and next day, and I'm almost done with the prep. And
रेसिपी खिचड़ी में आ गया है जीरा.
ऐसा बोलना था गाइस, आज हमारा लास्ट डे है साथ में डिनर करने का. फिर हम सब लोग घर जा रहे हैं खुशी खुशी. लास्ट एक तू उधर से बोल. ये देखो कौन आया है. राजू.
मेरा लास्ट
पुलिस से बोल।
फिर मैं इन पागलों को मिस करूंगी। पागलों को
नीड्स टू।
हाँ, ये हमारा लास्ट डे है, हम घर जाएंगे। यस, नो मोर नेस्ले खिचड़ी। और अब हम आइसक्रीम ट्रीट करेंगे। और हमारा शूडो मेंबर आया अब तो।
बोल अब कुछ। कट 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 कट।
पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही मुझसे।
ये देखो गाइस, इधर पढ़ने आई थी, अब इधर फाइनली एग्जाम खत्म।
ये मैं घर जा रही हूँ 2 महीने के बाद।
मैं भी 3 हफ्ते के बाद।
हाँ 3 हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते के बाद।
3 हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते
उसके
एग्जाम है, उसके एक हफ्ते पहले से मैं आ गई थी।
एक हफ्ते पहले तो अंकल आंटी आ चुके हैं।
हाँ, दैट डजंट काउंट।
ओके ओके, दैट आल्सो काउंट।
नो। और बारिश गिरी है,
ये बाय।
एक्साइटेड।
नीसू तो चली भी गई।
हेलो गाइस, फिल्म खत्म।
ખોસ હવે બીજા બધા તો હવે હા હીર કેવું લાગે છે તારે ફીલિંગ?
બહુ મસ્ત લાગે છે, બહુ મસ્ત ફીલિંગ આવે છે. બાય ગાઈસ, બાય. હું નહીં મળીએ. બહુ ખુશ છું તું વચ્ચેથી રાજકોટ જાઉં છું ને મારી રૂમમેટને મૂકીને તો બહુ ખુશ છું. રૂમમેટ ક્यों आ गए?
और हमारे 2 बैग पता नहीं कैसे जा रहे हैं हम लोग एक रिक्शा में, बट जा रहे हैं। I originally had both the pads different, but then I paired up together and they look so good. So here we have. You know, when I was told okay I have to come and stay in the hostel, I thought I will stay with roommates, but I literally stay with kids. My roommate is a kid. She is a bachchi of 3-year-old because she has the weirdest craving in the weirdest time period. Like she would be so angry and then in the midst of a very aggressive conversation she would say, oh I'm craving a pastry, a chocolate pastry, oh my god I want to eat a chocolate, and my face would be like
Either I want kettle.
I'm not trying it, it's just guys इसे आता है केटल जलाना, क्योंकि हमारी अपनी केटल इसने जला दी।
मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है, मेरे घर वाले को बनाना पड़ेगा खुद अपने आप से सब कुछ।
ये मेरे को 5 साल के बाद मिल रही है। मैं सब स्कूल से आई थी 5-6 साल के बाद। अरे बचपन से तुम्हारा बोल भी एक ही हॉस्पिटल में हुआ था। एक ही में बाजू बाजू के बेड थे दोनों के। अभी हम खूब के मिले में खो गए थे। फाइनली अब एमबीबीएस मिल रहे हैं। तो एमबीबीएस गाइस आज हमारी हॉस्टल टूटने वाली है। आज हमारी छोटी है, झूठ मत बोलो। पिलाने वाली नहीं थी, मेरे तो तुम दोनों की मैं थी। तब मैंने 2 मैच पाए थे बस। हमने जो की थी। अरे यार बात ना गाइस ये बेवकूफ हो चुके हैं।
Guys, I feel so okay. I'm going home, okay? You may speak something.
ना